Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 26th of February. Deep upper low north of us, and that will impact the state today with a risk of a few showers and storms around, maybe a strong storm in spots. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. That's the view coming from Inverness in North Shelby County. The sky is mostly cloudy. Pretty warm out there this morning. Many spots are sitting around 70 as we've got fairly unstable air mass in place. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam looking east from high atop the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, and we'll cross the state line and go to downtown Columbus, Mississippi, over in Lowndes County. Goodness, look at the upper low that's near St. Louis. Had some pretty strong storms developing in the southern flank of that yesterday, including some storms with that prompted tornado warnings. One was north of Memphis. We had some down into the Mississippi Delta. All of that is weakened. There's a look at the radar early this morning. That was actually captured at 2 a.m., and at that point, the storms had settled down, and the weather's pretty quiet. But again, we could see a few more storms firing up later today. Hey, look at those temperatures behind that upper low. Wow. I see 30s, and I see 40s. Big swath of those all the way from the upper Midwest down into northern Arkansas, around Harrison and Fort Smith. But look at the gradient along the cold front that's near the northwest tip of Alabama. And again, we've got readings, around 70 here. All right, now the convective outlook for today. We've got the green, which means no organized severe weather is expected, and I think that's right. The low-end probabilities are centered northeast of here. And just for the fun of it, I thought we'd look at the severe weather parameters early this morning. That's the surface-based CAPE, and we do note there is positive CAPE already at 5 o'clock over a pretty good chunk of Georgia. Not Alabama, but Georgia. The instability is around 1,000 joules north of Atlanta and near Chattanooga, Tennessee. The better low-level helicity values are over North Alabama right now. This is the 0 to 3 kilometer values, and they're relatively high across the Tennessee Valley, and they really begin to max out farther northeast you go, ahead of that low-level boundary. And so I'm not saying we're going to have a big severe weather problem today. I'm just saying there could be a strong storm or two later today, especially if the sun breaks out a bit and we get some heating going on, as we do expect to see highs up in the low 80s today. And then tomorrow, again, they got the green risk. And I don't think we see a lot of rain here tomorrow, but if there's a thunderstorm, maybe a strong one down south over South Alabama. All right, rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And keep in mind, this did count the rain we had last night beginning at 7. That was up around Memphis and North Mississippi. But this is suggesting rainfall amounts in the quarter to 1/2 inch range. And again, we'll explore the daily opportunities for rain as we go along here. Tropical weather. Ophelia fizzled out over the weekend. It's located northeast of the Leeward Islands, just an open wave. And Philippe is a tropical storm out there in the eastern Atlantic. Philippe, hey, not even close to any landmass. That's a botherment only for the ships at sea. We'll just kind of hang around out there in the middle of nowhere. And what's left of Ophelia will be ultimately turned north. And a couple of the models try and bring it back up to a tropical storm. But again, no impact to land. So the tropics for late September, amazingly quiet. All right, this is the GFS, valid at 7 o'clock this evening at 500 millibars. Deep upper low. Centered northeast of St. Louis and near Chicago. And down below that, you can see a surface boundary coming in here. And again, we'll keep an eye on things. Like I showed you, there's a degree of instability and helicity, but I don't think we have the same issues that Memphis had last night. I just don't think that with a better low-level helicities pulling away to the north. But still, we'll watch the radar. So again, later today, some chance of showers and storms with highs in the low 80s. Now, tomorrow, it should be a warm day, and again, there's not really good agreement in the models. This is the GFS, and this is depicting the better chance of scattered showers and storms south of Interstate 20. One way or the other, it should be a warm day with a high up in the mid-80s, But the dew points will be noticeably lower tomorrow. The dew points today up in the 60s. Dew points tomorrow should be in the 50s. That means the air should be drier. So we'll mention just maybe a chance of a shower south of Birmingham, but north of Birmingham should be a dry day. All right, Wednesday looks pretty dry. Again, there's no cool air involved here. We'll be up in the low and mid 80s. And any shower should be down south. Thursday, looking pretty dry. Mostly sunny. Is still warm, mid 80s likely. Oh, but look at the trough at the end of the week on Friday. That'll get things cooled down with the next cold front coming in. There's the surface chart. And look at that 540 line down to almost Cincinnati. That's a nice 1024 high near Duluth, Minnesota. And that should push the high down toward 80. Bright, sunny weather. And another gorgeous day to start the weekend. Nice. If this is right, we'll start the day down in the 50s, the high only in the middle 70s, just gorgeous. So after kind of a warm week, we'll see a nice surge of cool air coming in here by Friday and the weekend. And there's Sunday. Again, just a beautiful day. In fact, we might start that morning in the 40s in spots. Really nice touch of fall. And again, mid-70s, low humidity, just gorgeous. And a week from today looks quiet. We'll check the end of the forecast, October the 11th. Hey, man, October is my favorite month. It's almost here. Big trough over the nation's heartland. Deep surface low near Minneapolis, St. Paul. Makes you wonder if we could see some strong storms out there. You know, typically October is the driest month of the year, but we all know that that will probably be gone on the next run. That's the way it works in the medium range. We're just looking for trends. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.